Hey, what's up, everyone? So you just got your OCI tenancy all fresh and clean, and you're thinking, what should I do now? Should I start building up the compartments or should I start just building up things? No, that's not the first thing. So the first thing I usually do is enable multi-factor authentication and then create another user beside the root user, even if it's just my tenancy. Like that's really good policy to follow up to. So let's take a look. I have here my new tenancy, which I just got from the Oracle ACE program. So big thanks for that. So if I go to look on the users, uh, I can go from the identity and security users. I still have the old OCI IAM domain. So I have my user here, and then I can just go to my user details, and you can see I can enable multi-factor authentication for my user here easily. And just remember, like the documentation says, multi-factor authentication is something that the user only the user can enable multi-factor authentication for their own account. So your administrator cannot enable it. So you have to do it yourself. So that's something to remember. And obviously, there's some information about MFA if you haven't used it earlier. So go and read the documentation. There's a chapter under the IAM without identity domains, and I think they have something here IAM with the identity domains, which is the new one as well. So take a look on those. And just as a early setup, what I've done, I've installed the Oracle Mobile Authenticator on my phone. So that will be the MFA device for me. You can also use Google's Authenticator as well. Those are the two ones what Oracle says that are tested. Here I'm looking on my user page. I also have the Mobile Authenticator opened on my phone. What I will need to do here as to enable it, I'll click the enable multi-factor authentication. Here we go. Then it will ask me to scan this code. So on the mobile authenticator, I'll just click the plus sign, then scan this code, and then it will automatically add the tenancy here on my MFA app. And then I'll just type the code, which changes, I think, every 30 seconds, and then click verify. And there we go. Now we have MFA enabled. And next thing I can do, I can try it out when I'm logging in. So let's see on that. I've now logged out. I have my login page here ready to log in, and also my MFA device open. So once I click sign in, it will ask me the one-time passcode, temporary passcode. So I'll just enter what my MFA device is showing, and I'm successfully logged in. So that's all you need. It's pretty simple, very good from the security point of view. Always enable your MFA device. Doesn't take too much. You can also see, if you check the Oracle security checklist, they have all these things here what you should do, and one of them obviously is use multi-factor authentication. So that's it. The first thing to do, enable MFA. The second thing to do, create another user instead of the root user, and also enable MFA for that user. That's it. Thanks for watching.